Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my makeup for my ID picture. So I am going to have to do this really fast and I'm kind of like, I'm scared. I'm scared because I don't know what I'm going to have to do once I get to the DMV. I don't even know what I'm scared of, but I'm scared. And then I don't have a signature, so I don't know how I'm going to sign. You guys, I'm sorry for my hair. I know it's a mess, but I'm going to do it after because I don't know how I'm supposed to do my hair. And right now I just primed my skin with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I really hope my picture looks good because if not, I'm going to be sad. But anyway, I have to hurry because my mom has been waiting me for like 2 hours now. She's been waiting me to doing my makeup. She doesn't know I'm filming, so sorry mom if you're watching. I had to do a YouTube video because I haven't done my makeup in forever. But anyway, I don't know what shade fits me. I don't know if this matches me. Oh well, I'm just gonna use this one. And this is a Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 310. It's because I used to mix them and they are so dark on me now. Why am I even putting it on the mixing palette? I don't know. I need to go shopping for a new foundation because these shades do not go with me anymore. And I already did my eyebrows off camera. And today I used powder and the eyebrow pencil that I usually use. But if you guys want to see my natural eyebrow routine, it is up. That was the last video I filmed. So you guys should definitely go watch that. But the eyebrow I did today is not my natural one. This is a more dramatic brow. Okay, I have to go get my headband because my hair is a mess. You guys, I just realized that I forgot to do my eye makeup first. That's how you know this is not going to be good. Because I already forgot my eye makeup. Who am I? I have no idea. But now I'm taking my Fit Me concealer. I think this is extra, but I'm doing it anyway. So I am not going to do any cream contour. I am just going to do powder and I'm going to set my face with the Airspun. Or to set my under eyes. I'm gonna bake actually. Okay, and I'm also going to set my nose because it gets really oily. And I don't want that to happen. So also my forehead because it also gets really oily. Oh no. Now I'm going to take my Parquet Princess palette from Tarte. And I'm going to be taking Angle. And you guys see how I have these marks right here? I hate contouring because of that. But I want my face to look super skinny in the picture. So she wants to be my assistant, but she keeps making noise. Oh, and this is the Morphe R14 brush. You guys, it is so hot. I don't know how I'm doing my makeup, but I am. Okay, so I am contouring my chin and my jawline because my face is so long, so I want my face to look shorter. And I'm also going to contour my forehead because my forehead is so big. Do you guys see how big that is? Ew. I'm scared that my picture will look so ugly. I feel like this looks very muddy, but it's just acne scar. It makes it look so patchy. Okay, so now I am going to take my Sweet Peach palette. My eyeshadow primer. I'm taking the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish eyeshadow primer. And you guys, I'm trying to be really fast because my mom is gonna get mad. Because I'm taking too long.
You're already in trouble.
I am?
Yep, Grandma's mad at you.
Why?
You're taking forever.
Yeah, you see? I'm in trouble. Uh-oh. Oh, I forgot to bake. This is going so wrong. I'm going to clean up my contour. Okay, I think that's too much. It looks like I have a beard, but oh well. Eyeshadow this time for real. Okay, so I'm going to take Peaches and Cream. And I'm going to set that all over my eyelid. Oh wow. This eyeshadow primer really sticks on. Do you guys see that? Now I'm taking Puree. It is this one. And I think that's all I'm going to do for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to put on some eyelashes and my eyeliner. And since my eyelashes are non-existent, I have to wear some fake ones. So now I am taking the Y11 and I'm just going to dust all of this off. Oh no, do you guys see that right there? Oh. Acne problems. Okay, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder because this will give me coverage. I kind of want to contour my nose, but if I mess up, there's no way I can fix it. You guys, I literally did the worst eyeliner in the world. Do you guys see this? What is this? I am the queen of eyeliner, and I am not the queen of eyeliner right now. No. I am in a hurry, but that does not give me the right to mess up my eyeliner. It's so bad, you guys. Like, I want to cry. I want to take it all off, but I don't have time for that. Okay, you guys, so I already did my eyelashes and I put some mascara on, and I did put white eyeliner just because I want my eyes to look bigger. And you guys, my lower lashes look so good. Okay, so now I am going to do my blush. Double take the one from my Back Talk palette, as always. Time for highlight. And I think I want to take my glow kit from Anastasia in Sun Dipped. First, I am going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Ooh, that feels good. Okay, so now I'm going to take Tourmaline, the purple one. Okay, yes. This is what I'm talking about. Look at me glow. You guys, I am glowing. I really am. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit on my nose. Okay, this highlight is beautiful. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so now I'm going to take Summer. This is the lightest shade. And I'm just going to put it on the highest points of my cheek. That looks so good. So my sister literally lied to me that I was in big trouble. I thought I really was because I really am taking long, so uh-oh. But now for lips, I don't know what to do for lips. Okay, so for lips, I'm just going to take this little MAC pencil and I'm going to line them. I don't even know if I want to do this color. Okay, actually no. I was just kidding. I don't want to do that color. So I'm going to take this other lip liner from Ulta. I don't think I want to do this color either. I don't know, it seems too pigmented for me. So I'm just going to like pat it. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do. I have to do my hair and I don't know how. But I'll be back when I get back from the DMV to tell you guys how I went. But yeah, I'm so nervous, but oh well. Okay, you guys, so I just came back from the DMV. And you guys, I stood in line for 2 hours for nothing. Nothing. Like, I did not get my ID picture taken, and I did not even fill out an application for my ID because they are only online. Only online. Can you guys believe that? Like, what if someone doesn't have internet? I am so mad because I really did my makeup for no reason. And I didn't even feel like doing my makeup today, and I had to for my picture. And turns out I didn't get my picture taken. I've been waiting for like 3 or 4 months to get my ID. I was out there waiting in line. We had to wait outside in the line, and it was so hot. That's what happened. But you guys should give this video a thumbs up because I went through that today and I was looking so pretty to be in line. So you guys should give this video a thumbs up. And you should subscribe because that will make me feel better. I will do another video on the day of my ID picture and I'll let you guys know if I got it or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys watched the whole video, thank you. I know I'm a mess, but oh well. This video was so bad. Like, I did my makeup in the worst order ever. I don't usually do my makeup like this and my eyeliner is a mess, but this is a very natural look for me. Of course the face is very dramatic. I haven't done my makeup in a while, so like it's kind of weird to see me with makeup. But for the eyes, this is so simple. So simple, but I'm really loving it. Like, my eyelashes look so good, but my eyeliner looks so bad. Anyway, but yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Go follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of looks on there. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.